Difference between generative AI and machine learning. What is GenAI? Generative AI, often known as GenAI, is a form of artificial intelligence that trains machines to generate new content based on the input data they are trained on. This can include images, text, audio, and even synthetic voices. GenAI, unlike standard AI, is designed to generate new ideas and concepts on its own, rather than simply interpreting and responding to given data. This skill creates tremendous new opportunities for companies that rely on innovation and creativity. Generative AI works similarly to other machine learning systems. The generative AI system is first thoroughly trained using relevant data. Once trained, the generative AI system receives user inputs that explain the request and may contain highly structured and sophisticated features. The generative AI system transforms the prompt into specific elements and displays the results to the user. In many cases, human users can score or rate the results, thus providing feedback that helps the generative AI system learn and improve. Example of GenAI. One example of GenAI is OpenAI's ChatGPT. This artificial intelligence program uses natural language processing, NLP, to draft essays, compose poems, make jokes, participate in human-like conversations, and much more by responding to user suggestions. Midjourney, Gemini, previously known as Bard, Jasper, Duet AI, and Bing, are examples of well-known generative AI systems capable of producing a wide range of creative content. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating computer programs that can learn from and adapt to new data without being explicitly programmed. It uses algorithms to analyze data, learn from it, and then use what it has learned to make accurate decisions or predictions. Machine learning models require extensive data resources to learn and function efficiently, and they frequently require periodic updates and retraining as data evolves and changes, as well as data quality levels fluctuate over time. Continuous training is a critical component of machine learning model management that any AI-enabled organization should implement. Example of machine learning. For instance, imagine a teacher frequently purchases pencils from a retail website. An AI-driven personal shopping assistant, built using a machine learning platform, could identify this repeat customer and access their purchase history, which shows a pattern of buying pencils. By considering the current inventory and availability on the website, the personal shopping assistant could then offer the teacher a concise selection of pencils in the quantity they typically order. This not only saves the customer time and enhances their shopping experience, but also boosts the likelihood of a successful sale. Difference between generative AI and machine learning. Purpose. Generative AI allows a machine to solve problems by simulating human intelligence and facilitating complex human interactions. Whereas, machine learning allows a machine to train on previously collected data and learn from new data with some autonomy. Goal. The goal of generative AI is to construct a system capable of performing complicated tasks and interactions independently. While the goal of machine learning is to learn from data in order to continuously upgrade and increase model accuracy. Application range. Generative AI has a wide range of potential applications and corresponding capabilities. On the other hand, machine learning has a wide variety of potential uses, but a very limited set of capabilities within that range. Decision-making style. Generative AI is similar to human decision-making. Whereas, machine learning algorithms are used to learn and operate predictive models, which help humans make decisions. Data compatibility. Generative AI works with all sorts of data, whether structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. While machine learning typically only employs structured and semi-structured data, as unstructured data can be difficult to process due to a lack of context for machine learning algorithms. Learning mechanism. Generative AI learns, reasoned, adjusted, and self-corrects over time, through logic and decision-making. Whereas, machine learning learns using statistical models, but only adjusts, or self-corrects, in response to feedback from users or new data. Task examples. Generative AI is suitable for image synthesis, text generating, music composition, and other creative and data-related tasks. On the other hand, in machine learning, data classification and regression are essential in spam filtering and object recognition. Data use. Generative AI can generate or synthesize new data from previously collected or trained data. While machine learning can only use existing data, cannot produce new data.